Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx GUI tutorial. Now in this video we will design the stage with controls. That means we will add this table view control. Then there are almost 6 plus 1 7 control right in the bottom. We will add all these. Alright, now we will proceed with the design. I closed all the document from our previous session. Now let's right click Fxml, click on open. This will bring up the scene builder. By default, the project will have a click me button. We will delete that. We will delete this label as well. Here I am resizing the document portion so that we can see both the control package in the upper side as well as the document in the bottom pane. So our goal is to have the table view control, right? First we will resize the existing stage. Then we will expand controls. Here is the table view control, and we will drag and drop that on anchor pane. So now once I release the mouse button, the table view will become child of anchor pane. So in Fxml also there will be a node that will get added below the anchor pane. So let me release it, and you will be seeing the table view control here, and we will resize the table view control to fit the stage. C1 is first column, C2 is second column here. So here you will be seeing a plus sign, right? We just dropped a table view control. Here is the table view control, and it contains 2 columns. And if you see, once I click the column that's highlighted here in the view, also you can see the specific column name here. Here also there is one more table column. Our example need 3 columns, right? One is for person name, and the next one is to denote the age, and the third one is for phone number. Now we will add table column. So here is the table column. Pick table column, drag and drop it on the table view. So here we'll be seeing one more table column, right? Now we will change the name property. So not name, here I'm changing the text. So text is display text actually. Here C1 is there, right? Now we will change it as person name. So the moment I change that, you can see name is assigned here. So that's one way of changing it. You can select the control, then change the text property, or you can directly pick the control here, then click on double click here and change it as age. Similarly here we are changing it as phone number. So you can also watch here, once I hit enter, you can see the text property changed here as well. So now we changed the column names. We will resize the column because phone number doesn't require much space. So this is the space I am reserving for phone number. For age, we need to have space to store 3-digit. So the space is enough. Name may have more width, or because name may be somewhat bigger than age as well as phone number. So that's all. Now we designed the table view. Next we need to add some controls here to dynamically add columns, right? So what we will do, we will already we have anchor pan. Anchor pan contains table view. We will put one more container. So control, I am collapsing it, container, hbox. So we should not place hbox inside table view, but it can be part of anchor pan. So let's drag and drop it over the anchor pan, and we will move this towards the bottom, and we will resize it. So if you need, you can even resize so fitting the table view control inside the anchor pan. I want to resize anchor pan even more bigger. All right, so now this is the table view. Phone number, age. So here for recording purpose, I am on lower resolution. That's why I need to scroll left and right. When you are practicing it, you may be practicing it in higher resolution, so you won't see any problem working with it. So hbox, I am selecting it. Requires higher width also. Now once I click hbox, you can see the control is highlighted here. So I'm just clicking this and dragging it so that it will go below the table view. Then we will adjust the width also using the gripper here. So that's all. Now our hbox is ready. Inside the hbox, we need to add 3 label, 3 text box, and a command button. So we will expand the controls, label, just dropping it here. Second label and the third one. And now we will change the text also for this label. First we need age. Next, so for age we'll give some gap, then a space. First one, I need name. So instead of applying the insert and border here, I'm just giving a gap. Age. Then phone number. So hatchbox is ready with the 3 label. Now we need to add text in between. So text field, if you see, I'm dragging the text field. We can add in between, or we can use this marker also. So now you are seeing a horizontal, a vertical line, right? That's placed in between name and age. So I'm just dropping it, and you can see text field is added between name and age. Now I'm doing the same, and I need one more text field after this phone number. So now the controls are ready. We need a button as well. So we will drag and drop a button next to the text field. So name may be somewhat bigger, right? That's why I'm expanding it. That's all. Here we will reduce the height. Then we will reduce the anchor pen as well. So that's all. Here we just now designed our form. So next what we have to do, it's already saved. If it is not saved, you have to click save, then click file, quit, and now we can open the Fxml document, and if any formatting needed, we can do that. So once design is over, we can do the formatting. Otherwise we will be repeating this again and again. All right, now if you see here, anchor pan, that's the root level, right? Then anchor pan contains children's. There are 2 children. One is TableView and another one is Hatchbox. That's the 2 children for anchor pen, right? TableView contains columns. There are 1, 2, 3 columns. And then we have a hatchbox. Hatchbox is a container, so it also contains children. And you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 controls added. And you can see the hierarchical relationship here in terms of Fxml document. At runtime, the stage will read this Fxml document and creates the relevant controls. Now we will build this solution. So the project build was successful. Now we will open the document that contains the main entry, and we will run the project. This is just to make sure how our UI looks, and you can see the UI is ready. There is a table in the top, and there are some controls in the bottom as well. So we designed our form. From next video onwards, we will proceed with coding. We haven't yet assigned control names. We will do that in the next video. And assigning the control name will make entries in the controller. So all those stuff we will see in the next video. So just now you saw the form design, and you saw how the form design made entry in the Fxml document. Thank you for watching. Bye.